Hey everyone, welcome back to Twirlcraft Studio. Okay, so confession time. I have a thing for tiny drawers. Seriously, I can't resist them. I see one and immediately think, ooh, that could hold buttons, beads, or possibly my hopes and dreams. But this little wooden drawer set was looking a bit too plain, so today we're giving it a total glow up with Mod Podge, floral paper, and a lot of enthusiasm. Let's get started before I find another drawer to decorate. Here's what you'll need for this project. A plain wooden drawer unit, decorative paper or napkins. I'm using this gorgeous floral print because honestly, it makes me happy just looking at it. Mod Podge, a crafter's best friend, a brush or sponge applicator, scissors. And optional, some paint for the frame if you want to level up the look. First, I gave the outer frame a coat of navy blue paint because everything looks classier in blue. It's giving vintage cottagecore meets craft studio chic. Let it dry completely before moving on, unless you're into accidental fingerprint textures. Next, measure and cut your floral paper to fit the front of each drawer. You can use wrapping paper, scrapbook paper, or even decoupage napkins if you're feeling fancy. Just make sure your pieces fit nicely. We want intentional charm, not I gave my drawers a paper haircut. Now for the magic step, Mod Podge. Brush a thin, even layer onto the drawer front. Carefully place your paper on top and smooth it out gently to remove any bubbles. Go slow and steady. This is not the time for wild brush strokes. Unless you like abstract art, of course. I am only going to show one drawer being done as I don't want this video to be too repetitive. What is your favorite creative Mod Podge project? I am always looking for new fun projects, so I would love to hear yours in the comments below. Brush another coat of Mod Podge right over the top to seal it. Yes, we're basically laminating with glue, and we love it. Look at that, from basic wood to bold and beautiful. These bright florals instantly make the whole space happier. Plus, now my craft supplies are living their best, most organized life. An easy Mod Podge makeover that proves a little paper and glue can totally transform your home decor. It's cute, it's crafty, and it's giving, yes, I have my life together. Until next time, stay creative and keep twirling.